Hello everybody, it is me old Crankman, and today I found another rare vacuum cleaner. So, let me show you. So what we have right here is a 1987 Kenmore Lifestyle 1 self-propelled upright vacuum. You can see right here it is cracked. And if you may have guessed, yes, this also has a cut cord on it. You can see right there it's cut. Kind of reminds me of a Dirt Devil broom back. I'll show you the underneath. So here's the underneath of the machine of the Kenmore Lifestyle. If you've never seen the underneath of one, well, here you go. There's the tag right there. Serial number. I'll show you the foot release. So there's something about the foot release. When you push it down, right, it's not going to snap back in place as you see. So what you have to do is get your foot, and you have to put under the pedal and push up like that, and it'll snap right back in place. Here you got your controls. I don't know if this turns on self-propelled or it turns the machine on. But there you go, that's on. That's off. This adjusts the speed. You can see if it focuses. That's 2 speed. And that's off. So this is off position. That's first speed, low speed, and then that's your high, second speed. Here's the inside of the bag. Thank God it's not stuck, the zipper. That's what the inside of it looks like. I don't know what that red string is, but it's pretty weird. You can see it zips up no problem. And this is a video of my 1987 Kenmore Lifestyle 1 self-propelled. Like what I said about the Millennium, I'm going to try my best to get this up and running again. I don't want to talk down about this machine, but it's probably low chances of getting this back up and running, but I will do my best of this rare machine. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.